not everyone is as comfortable as using colour in the home as I am. So I'm heading out with my trusty Coloursmith tools from Taubmans to try and help. Today I'm here to talk to Sean and Jillian, who have a backyard project that is in desperate need of colour reinvention. Okay, Sean and Jillian, tell me about the project.
Well, it's Sean's little Caribbean beach shed, a little slice of home for him all the way here in Australia.
So you wanted to store your tools, but also be a bit of a bar slash hangout zone.
You know
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's very hard to come around a lot of, Caribbean people, and it stands out to itself.
What's been your hesitation to use colour in the past?
Yes, that was my fault. Yeah, that was me. He built the shed right at the front of the house where everyone could see it, but it needs to blend in with the house, so it's the same neutral colours.
So your influence then is the Caribbean.
Yeah.
What sort of colours are we talking?
Bright colors, neon green, like bright.
I love these images. What's drawn you to them?
The beach vibe.
Yeah,
Relaxed
definitely.
beach vibe.
Definitely beach vibe.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's not that you've just chosen greens and blues, you've chosen them in really fun context, which completely applies. To find our perfect colour combination, we'll use the Coloursmith Reader and app from Taubmans to pinpoint the exact colours Sean and Jillian like from their inspiration pictures, turning them into custom paint colours. This place actually has a lot of potential. It's super compact, but with paint and colour, it's all about context. Jillian, you were talking about you love the idea of incorporating some rattan, which again has that sort of coastal beach, seaside vibe. So my first thought is we choose a slightly darker bluey green, more blue with green undertones for the exterior.
Yeah.
And then we choose a complementary lighter blue with green undertones for the interior.
I like it.
Yeah,
Sounds good. Yeah. There's not really any apprehension. We're excited to get started. See some colour on that shed.
That shed needs some loving.
Well, I think we've successfully given Sean and Jillian some colour confidence. And I, for one, cannot wait to see the finished product.
I cannot stop smiling.
We've definitely grown in colour confidence.
That's the shed, man.
And look at that smile.